Hello, today I want to show you about this template. In this template you can get login authentication, session, user management and role management. You can download the report in every table. Now I will show you how to build the magic form, just into script. The sample is, I want to create CRUD religion. After the system generate file, now you must migrate the table with script Rails DB, migrate. You can run the application again with script Rails S or Rails server. And boom, after you access the roots you will see the page with magic, all of them created by automatically. You can create new data, show, update, and you can delete it. Even, you can search for it very quickly, cause I use the datables query.